4A's lesson planner yung hanap mo, ito na po yung sagot. Yan, meron po tayong 4A's lesson planner. I-click mo lang yan. Yan, ito na po yung lalabas po ng ating planner po, no? Yan, lagay mo lang yung subject area, aralin palipunan, yung grade level, quarter, at yung date. Lagay mo lang yung content standard, performance standard, at saka yung learning competencies po dito. At ilagay po dito yung wika ng lesson plan, Filipino ba or English. Tsaka click mo lang yung generic lesson plan. Ito na po lalabas po ng ating lesson plan. Meron na po siyang psychomotor, affective, tsaka yung content, learning resources, yung integration, meron na pong AI visual, lahat po ng data lesson plan na dito na po siya. Kung okay na po, download mo lang yung Word Docs. Ito na po yung lalabas ng ating DLP. Yan na po yung lalabas ng ating DLP. Yan, ako si Vince, Creative Tech Teacher. Follow for more generator like this.